Hi guys, it's Phil English again, IREX 2019. So we're here today with the gentleman who's going to talk us through his project, which is all around, I suppose, an aircraft that takes off from water. So please can you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about your project?
This is Takenori Hashimoto from Space Entertainment Laboratory in Japan, and this aircraft we developing takes off from water and lands on water.
Okay.
So in Japan we don't have much flat land to use a common fixed wing aircraft. So we developed this for because Japan is an island country,
Right.
so we have much water, sea and lakes and river. So this can fly and take off and land even in Japan.
Right.
Maybe in more Singapore or Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So anywhere where there's sort of like a lot of water in the country, instead of having something land on the ground, you want there's an application to land on the sea, so it makes it a lot easier. And then and obviously, like you were telling me about the whole concept is around the plane's ability to maybe find fish, and find certain boats and stuff. So talk me through that.
Yeah, this can fly like 200 kilometers per battery change.
Okay.
Once battery changed, so this can sense a more wide area.
Okay.
Fly wide area. So we can use this as using this find some missing ships or missing people on the sea.
Yeah.
Or inspect the infrastructure, long infrastructure, like in a seashore.
Oh, I see. I understand. So normally you would have like a helicopter or a plane that needs to perform the same task. So the idea is that this is a lot more cost effective, and it pretty much does the same job. So it's a cheaper alternative to having a plane. And you said that the battery lasts for 2 hours?
2 hours. So yeah, it will be good. It will be much better cost than a helicopter, since it has a human operator.
Yeah.
And the helicopter itself will be much more expensive than this.
Yeah. So you got the human operator, the cost of the fuel, the cost of a helicopter. Okay. So how far away are you from a commercial product? Are you trying to get funding for more for like a manufacturing or production?
No. We have funded from the Fukushima prefecture already. So
okay.
For this development. So money is not quite problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the next steps then? I mean, if I wanted to come and buy this, if I owned a fishing company and I wanted to buy your products, is it ready to be used now, or does it still need more development?
Yeah, still it's on the way, and we're gonna have to integrate the sensors like cameras and ultraviolet or something.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sensors.
Okay.
And the radio wave, and in Japan it's Japanese law, and we cannot. The radio wave cannot reach so much farther.
Right.
So the problem is that now.
Right. So I suppose if you have more high-tech sensors, you can use it a lot more efficiently.
Yeah.
And then, is this your only product? Have you got other things in development as well? Or?
Now we have only this aircraft for sale.
Okay.
Sometimes we do perform the air balloon which reaches to the space.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I can see from the pictures. Yeah. Okay.
It's for like commercials and more entertainment thing.
Right. I see. Okay, no, that's good. Well, I think that's quite a good like overview, really. You know, you're giving us like an insight. What I'll do is I'll put some information about how to find you. So, like, thank you very, very much for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, cool.